Hey Space Watchers, and welcome back here from Munich. We're at the third EU ISOS, what stands for In-Space Operation and Services Strategic Forum. What a mouthful. And I have the great pleasure here at the end of the event to speak with a good friend, with Joerg Kreisel. And Joerg is the founder and chairman of iBOSS. And in this capacity, he is also the president of CONFERS. And what CONFERS is, he will tell us in a minute. So, CONFERS, Joerg, is the industry association, I would say with my words. So, on ISAM, ISOS, whatever term we want to use, you must be over the moon. So, tell us more about ISOS and how does it feel?
Well, first of all, ISOS is a term which has been established in Europe for in-space services and operations. At the global level, we are talking ISAM, which stands for In-Space Servicing, Assembly and Manufacturing. So CONFERS, we have the pleasure to act as president now in the second year. CONFERS is a non-profit organization, but is the independent international trade association fostering ISAM development across the board, which includes setting the rules of the road, developing standards, where we have been very successful by setting and developing a number of standards which already have been adopted by international standard development organizations, so voluntary-based standards as it's been done in other industries. But we also do policy recommendations, have various task forces, and we are very proud to be an organization, the voice and advocacy for ISAM at the global level with almost 100 member organizations.
So, enough about CONFERS. Let's focus back here on the conference. What are your takeaways here from these 2 days of very intense, diverse conversation?
Well, it's a very good point. So, first of all, I want to acknowledge that was probably the best ever ISAM, ISOS related event outside the United States. Big hands to the organizers, the European Commission and the German Ministry for Research, Technology and Space. And it was an excellent event with a fantastic program. They brought all the relevant stakeholders together and it was intense and really showed that Europe is on the move and getting ready and going for ISAM, if I may use this word in the global context.
How can CONFERS, and especially in your capacity being here also in Europe, support EU ISOS? And I'm using it now, ISOS again.
Yeah. Well, I think we can. But first of all, I want to say that we have learned here, and it has been the opportunity to get the ISOS theme across the industry, out to the industry. We have seen it is a very relevant subset of space and future space infrastructure and operations. Number two, given the recent geopolitical developments and the new layer of space military and defense, there's great opportunities serving immediate needs. And so Europe is joining forces. There's several subsets, there's leadership in different subsets and areas of ISAM. But I have big hopes, and we see a growing member base at CONFERS even at that level. So CONFERS is ready to support at various levels, all the way from industry to governments to NATO, to help support at the level of standards, but also policy recommendations. There's a couple of other legal regulatory things which come into play. Just to that token, maybe to mention spectrum allocation for special services and so forth. So there's a lot to do, but it looks like Europe is ready to go. It's a historical moment in my view, and a huge accomplishment by the European, let's say, political space leadership bodies.
As we are almost at the end of the year here, and we all want to go then in our Christmas holiday, so what is planned on the CONFERS side for the next year? And I'm asking now the acting president of CONFERS, of course.
Oh, we have a load of activities, and we are very active and even more active behind the scenes. So we get out with results from time to time. We have a couple of events coming up in the United States, but we also want to team, particular with 1 or 2 events in Europe later part this year, really address the ISOS-related topics, using CONFERS as sort of like the voice, but involving all other stakeholders to do that. So on the event side, it's going to be very important. We have a list of new applications from European industry, and we are very happy to welcome more members to this international body or advocacy platform for ISOS. And we have established several task forces which have developed standards but also come up with other interesting developments. You are invited to visit the CONFERS website, and under resources you find loads of things. So CONFERS is visible on the website. There is a lot of resources you can look at, but we also have recently established a new task force, for instance, for interoperability of space systems, interfaces and other modular architecture elements. So we are touching on the hot topics of ISOS and have done a lot of pioneering work at global level.
Joerg, thank you very much. And I'm quite sure we will see each other next year then in the same capacity in one or the other events. I wish you and your family, your conference members, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. And same to you and same to all our members and the ISOS community.